Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will compare Audi RS7 versus Porsche 911. We'll explore their distinct characteristics to help you decide which performance car suits your needs. The RS7 boasts a formidable twin-turbo V8, while the 911 offers a range of iconic flat-six engines. Both deliver exhilarating speed and precise handling, but their approaches to performance differ significantly. Let's dive into the details. Moving to practicality and design, the Audi RS7 stands out as a four-door sportback, providing ample space for passengers and luggage. In contrast, the Porsche 911 is a classic two-door sports car, prioritizing an uncompromised driving experience. Inside, the RS7 offers a tech-rich, opulent environment, while the 911 maintains a more focused, driver-centric cockpit. These differences cater to distinct lifestyles. When it comes to the driving experience, the RS7 offers a refined blend of comfort and sportiness, making it an excellent daily driver. The 911, however, provides a more raw, direct, and engaging connection to the road, truly embodying a pure sports car. Regarding value, an Audi RS7 typically starts around $125,000, while Porsche 911 models can range from $115,000 to well over $200,000, depending on the trim. Ultimately, the better car depends on your priorities. If you seek a luxurious, high-performance vehicle with everyday practicality and space, the Audi RS7 is an outstanding choice. However, if your passion lies in a pure, unadulterated sports car driving experience, the Porsche 911 will undoubtedly captivate you. Remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.